You good today? Yes. Sige. Are you excited? Okay. Happy? Congratulations, by the way. Okay. Sir Alan? Sir Alan po. Si Ma'am Justia po. Yes. Everyone did an amazing job today. Our judges had a very hard time choosing because all of our candidates shine in their own special way. Let's give a big round of applause to all our kids before we announce our winners. Maraming salamat po. And now, for our Mini Mr. IPSR first runner-up. First runner-up muna po tayo. At kung sino po yung hindi ka-announce, automatic siya po ang Mini Mr. IPSR 2026. Okay po? Ayun, pinaghawak ng kamay. Dapat kung sino mananalo, yung magtatakot ng bibig, ha? Okay, our Mini Mr. IPSR 2026 first runner-up goes to Nawab Claro Diverson. And our Mini Mr. IPSR 2026 is Alger Castillo.
Andiyan lang pareho.
Yung candidate number 2 po, sinawag po, at ang ating pong Little Mr. IPSR is candidate number 1. Picture checks. Tawagin po natin ang ating dalawang naggagandahang kandidata. Okay. Okay, girls, hold hands. Our first runner-up is candidate number 2, Maxine Montejo. And our Mini Miss IPSR 2026 is Aliyah Camila T. Deo Carriza. Okay, please. Ma'am, si Papo, okay na po. Alas 5 na po, ma'am. Okay, my mistake. Once again, our Mini Miss IPSR, Aliyah Camila D. Deo Carriza. At pwede po natin tawagin yung ating Mini Mr. IPSR. Please, our Mini Mr. IPSR with the Mini Miss IPSR. Let's award first our second runner-up, Little Mr. IPSR 2026. Second runner-up goes to Arwin Roperez. Congratulations, Arvin! Okay, our little Mr. IPSR 2026 first runner-up is Abdulaziz Sabato. And our little Mr. IPSR 2026 is Abdurrahman S. Adam. Miss IPSR 2026 girls, move forward please. Our second runner-up for Little Miss IPSR 2026 is none other than candidate number 3, Kaifa Kantawali. Thank you. And now, our little Miss IPSR first runner-up is candidate number 1, Amara Tantu. And our little Miss IPSR 2026 is Aliana Montenegro. First runner-up pa lang po ba? This is for first runner-up po, si Tantu po, si Tantu. Si Aliana po ang winner. Yes po. Makinig po tayo maigi. Our little Miss IPSR 2026 is Aliana Montenegro. Okay. You have to listen carefully para di po tayo magkamali. May we call in again Abdurrahman Adam to have picture with our little Miss IPSR. Adam, please, on stage. Adam, on stage, please.